Our fifth step to qualify our creative in PowerPoint, and we're moving pretty quickly, is to add transitions. Now, transitions are what happens from one slide to the next when you're in slideshow. Go back to our presentation that we were looking at just to quickly show you what I mean. When I go from slide 1 to slide 2, you can see kind of a fade. I go through my builds. The next one, a fade. That's called a transition. By default, there are no transitions between. They're just hard cuts. I recommend you do use transitions, but you use them very wisely. To apply transitions, the best place to go is to our slide sorter. And let's just pick one. So we'll pick our first slide and we'll click on the Transitions ribbon. And you can see here are options. And they get a little crazier as you go. And you can see the little samples here. So let me just apply the one that I think you should use. Fade. And you can see the sample, what happens. In fact, the little star down here shows you that there has been a transition applied. Click on that and it will give you a sample. Now I know if you've never used transitions before, how could you not want to try all of the crazy ones? How could you not want to try fracture? It's just so much fun, right? Look at that fracture. Or wind. You know, I understand. They're fun to use. So by all means, take your time. Take your time and play with these silly transitions. And then when you're done, it's time to grow up and choose fade. You just want to fade. This is all you want. Fade or maybe cut. Those are your two options. And all you want to do, for a Mac, it's Command A. Click on fade, and now every single one of your slides has the transition applied. And you can see it slowly applying it to your entire presentation. So my recommendation is transitions, yes, definitely. Fade or cut. Maybe if you're moving from one major topic to another, you can use a push or a wipe or a split or a reveal. But be very judicious with these things. Just like I told you earlier about the company president who used the sounds of bullets for his bullets in his presentation, things get old very quickly. So there you go. Transitions, yes, fade, and that's about it.